Are you in?
I'm ready.
Okay, go. Alright, you see what he's doing right here. He's going to purify water and then dye a situation. This comes in handy. First, get water in the bucket. Simple as that. Is it clean water? Does not need to be clean water. Purifying water, simple. Simple. Now these rocks...
No, don't get me in it.
Now these rocks have been roasting in this fire for about a half an hour. Perfect timing.
He watches their Grylls a lot. That was a good little comment. We need better.
Okay, what next?
Now once you improvise, use two sticks, put a rock in a bucket.
Gotta be continuous.
All right.
Alright, see.
Here I go.
Now this is gonna come up really quick, the water. Oh yeah.
What's happening?
That's getting rid of all the bacteria. Enhancing the vitamins in the water. Oh yeah, that's hot. Now you let that roast there for a while. Roast. No, you're gonna let it roast. We don't boil, we roast. Now that it's in there, let it sit.
Come to a slow boil.
Come to a slow boil, and it should be fine to drink out of.
Just don't drink out of it.
Yeah, just don't drink out of it.
No, you gotta let it boil. Woo! It's coming.
Yeah.
Is it close, Bear?
I would say, oh yeah, that is ready.
Don't stop believing. Here it comes. See the boil?
Beautiful how nature works. Beautiful.
Oh, he burned the cap. That was our cap. Did you just burn our cap?
Did I really?
Bear. Now you gotta put your hand in there. That was a tragic mistake, Bear. You cup your hands.
Cup your hands.
Oh, wait a minute. No.
This is how real men do it.
Here. Can I see this?
No. No. Just a little bit.
The audience doesn't want to participate.
Here's what you do when you're in the woods.
Oh, it's on the road.
Or after a
perfect,
hurricane
even
when
better.
you can't drink the water. This would be part of hurricanes with here. No.
Oh.
It was mine, I think. Go ahead.
All right, it's good.
Hey, look, she's boiling now.
It is boiling.
We've got bubblage.
Any bubbling
Perfect.
is
You got bubbles.
That's all you need.
Can't you wait
Little
till
cap.
it boils a little bit more?
Scoop it up. Drink it.
8 minutes.
Scoop. Scoop. Like this. Oh yeah.
Look at
That is
pure,
hot.
pure,
Especially on this side
clean,
of the lake.
delicious
Look.
water.
Swimmer's itch from the inside.
A couple little pieces of stuff, but that's it. Couldn't have it any cleaner. Oh yeah.
Should I get more rocks in there, Bear?
Woo. No, it's fine. Just, take out the take out it a little bit.
Look at that. It's really boiling.
Oh
It's a
yeah.
rolling boil now.
Yep, that's up.
Yeah, but we don't
Are you
want
ready?
air fighting.
I'd be a little sick tonight.
Now what sometimes you can do with these rocks, you can put any kind of like meat on the rock. You'll roast. You can eat it.
You didn't have a bratwurst. You can put it on the rock.
Oh yeah.
Well, first you'd have to kill a deer or something.
That's how Indians cook their spaghetti, was it?
Perfect.
Bob, did you hear what she said?
No big deal. Kills all the bacteria. You'll be fine.
Look at his face.
It tastes like grape.
Maybe after 8 minutes.
Is that grape flavored water?
Yeah.
That's funny. That's something.
I think if we turn that rowboat over and fill it full of rocks, hot rocks, we'd all sit in there in a hot water.
That is really hot.
The generator can't handle it.
Woo! Yeah, be careful. Comes out hot.